Hello everyone, Mr. Shepherd here again with some more maths, and our walk for today is to solve simple money problems involving multiplication. So let's have a look at our first question. Okay, we've got, what is the total? We've got two 50p pieces. Okay, first of all, how would we write the number sentence for this? Remembering back to our work earlier in the week, and we've got two 50p's, so what's our number sentence going to be? 2 times 50p. Okay, now hopefully remember what the answer to this is. We've got a 50p and a 50p. Two 50p's equals the same as £1, okay? And £1 is 100 pence, as we remember from earlier in our learning in the week, okay? Right, what is the total? This time we've got four 50p's. How would we write this number sentence? Okay, four 50p's. So it's going to be 4 times 50. Now, looking back at our last question gives us a clue of how to solve this question. We've got two 50p's and we know that that's £1. Okay, this time we've got four 50p's, right? So what is that going to be? So this is £1, isn't it? These two 50p's are £1, and then these two 50p's are also £1. So really, we can see we've got £2 here, okay? So we've got 450p's as our number sentence. Our answer is going to be £2. Now, £2 is the same as 200 pence. We know that £1 is 100 pence, so £2 is 200 pence. Okay, next one. What's the total? Okay, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 10p pieces. So first of all, how would we write this number sentence? 5 10p pieces is going to be written 5 times 10p. Okay. Now, what's our total? We've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay. So what's our answer going to be? 50 pence. Okay. All right. Next one. Let's have a look. Right. How many 10p pieces have we got this time? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10 10p pieces. How would we write our number sentence for this? 10 times 10p. Okay, hopefully some of you have recognized what does that amount to? What's that the same value as? 10 10p's. Okay, let's count them up. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100p. Okay, what's 100p the same as? £1. Okay, it's 100 pence. All right, next question. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 20p pieces this time. How would we write our number sentence? 5 20p pieces is going to be 5 times 20. Okay, now let's count these up. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So we're up to 100p. What's 100p the same as? £1. Okay, £1 is 100 pence. All right, next question. Now, this is a bit more of a word problem, okay, but hopefully you'll recognize this from the work we've just done, okay? Jack buys 5 sweets for 20p each. How much does it cost him altogether? So hopefully some of you have recognized what the answer to this is straight away, okay, from the work that we've been doing earlier. Okay, there's a big clue. Right, so how would we write the number sentence for this? Well, we know that each one of these lollipops is worth 20p. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. How are we going to write our number sentence? 5 times 20p. Okay, and what's the total value? 20, 40, 60, 80, 100 pence. Okay, what's 100 pence the same as? £1. Okay, All right, next question. Now, similarly, hopefully, don't give away the answer too quick. Try that again. Hopefully, you'll recognize what the answer to this one is straight away from the work we've done earlier. Okay, how much does it cost altogether if Trevor buys 5 toy cars for 50p each? Okay, each one of these cars is worth 50p. Now, what then is 2 cars going to be worth? How much is it going to cost for 2 cars? For each one of these is 50p. 2 cars together is going to be £1. Okay, the next 2 cars together are going to be another £1. So we can think of this as £1 and £1. And then what's this car going to be worth? 50p. Okay, how would we write the number sentence for this? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cars, each worth 50p. Number sentence is going to be 5 times 50p. Now, what's the answer going to be? £1, £2, £2.50. Okay, so £2.50, which is 250 pence. All right, next one. Nina buys 12 glass beads for 10p each. How much does it cost her altogether? All right. Now, hopefully, you'll have recognized the answer to this question possibly from the work we've been doing earlier. All right. So we said that 10 times 10p is £1. Okay, that's a big clue for this question. Right. So let's have a look. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 glass beads, each worth 10p. Okay, and then we've got 11, 12. All right. First of all, how would we write our number sentence for this? We're going to write 12 times 10p. Now, what's our top row here going to be worth? Let's check. 10p, 20p, 30p, 40p, 50p, 60p, 70p, 80p, 90p, 100p, and 100p is the same as £1, and then we've got £1.10, £1.20. Okay, so it's going to be £1.20. Okay, £1.20, which is the same as 120 pence. All right, let's have a look at this last one. Now, what is the total? We've got £2 here. Okay, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 £2. All right, how would we write the number sentence for this? It's going to be 5 times £2. Okay, now let's add this up. £2, £4, £6, £8, £10. Okay, so we've got £10. Now, what does a £10 look like? Do we have a £10 coin? No, we don't have a £10 coin, do we? What do we have? A £10 note. Okay, so that's going to be worth £10. All right. Now you're going to go on with some word props today that are going to follow the lines of what we've just been doing. Okay, so just think through them, and I'm sure you'll get on with them. Okay, and come back to me in a second, and we'll do a plan.